Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do a treble crochet. So here I've got a chain of 13 and we're going to go into the 5th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. And we're going to wrap the yarn once and wrap it twice. So you've wrapped the yarn twice. I'll show you again. So how you would for a half double and a double. So we're going to wrap it once, hold it, and go forward and grab it again. So there's 2, and then into the 5th chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to go into there and pull up a loop. You should have 4 loops on your hook. Now what we're going to do is we're going to yarn over and pull through 2, like you would through a double crochet. Yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. So you're doing this for a total of 3 times. So wrap it round twice into the next chain. Oops, sorry. Pull up a loop, so you've got 4, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And again, in, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. At the end, now we're just going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and flip it around. Skip this one because it's going to count as its own treble crochet. So wrap twice into this stitch here, skipping the first, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Now like I'm tugging my yarn, and because it's like rounded up round here, it's hard to pull it. So make sure you've got like enough yarn gathered there so you can just pull it and you're not pulling it too tight, because that can also strain your wrists. So pull